What's up guys, English Dan, Modern Dad, you know what I mean, you know who it is. Anyway, so it's here, everyone's getting it, the iPhone XS Max. A lot of people are getting the XS too, but I think the XS Max is the one to go for because it's different again than what they normally are. Anyway, by the by, that's another video. I'm really impressed by it. I'm going to be doing a video soon on how this Android boy fell in love with an iPhone. I've only had it a few hours, but boy am I impressed. And that camera, whoo my days. Anyway, so we've all got our nice new iPhones, and we all know that this thing here, if you break this thing here, this glass back, we all know it costs $599 to replace. Whoo boy. So what I've gone and done is I've been and bought what I consider the top 3 Best Buy cases. So for you people who have been ordering online and things like that, or you've just got your iPhone and you don't want to wait and you want a decent case, this video could be for you because it's instant gratification. You can just go to your local Best Buy and grab these. I'll put the links in down below for you so you can instantly click, see if your store carries these. Now I'm not saying these are the 3 best and that's the fact. I'm just saying, in my opinion, for my phone, these are what I prefer. So these are all the platinum cases by Best Buy, which is their higher end case line. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so the first case I'm going to show you is one of the wood cases. I think these are really, really cool. Not a lot of people have these and they look great on the phone. They're really different, and obviously I'm involved in carpentry as well, so I like the wood look. This looks good. So let's crack it open so we can show you what it is. What I will say is with these phones, let me just see if I can focus this in for you, that with these cases, what you do have to look for, because they obviously didn't have the names of the phones when they made these cases, the ones you're going to be buying right now are for iPhone 6.5 inch. It doesn't say XS Max, it says iPhone 6.5 inch. So, you know, I figured that's kind of important because you could easily miss over the cases thinking that it's not for it when it actually is for it. So, let's get you back in focus here. Let's get in and have a look. It's not an unboxing, I'm not labeling it unboxing because there's nothing to unbox, it's literally a case in a box. So let's have a look and see what this one's like. This is the Walnut wood case. They are slim design as well. They do protect. I've dropped a couple of phones in these before and there's been no problem, and it is actually real wood with grain on the back. That's the good thing about it. Anyway, I'll shut up. Let's have a look. So there's the case. If you rub your hand over it, you can feel it. It's got the wood grain, it's got that really nice walnut finish, and then engraved into it, it's not a sticker or anything, it has the platinum. Around the sides, it's got a tough rubberized plastic. Same on the inside, rubberized plastic. You've got your cutouts for your volume buttons, your power button, your alert slider, and obviously your camera. Fits perfectly. The bottom is open, so it doesn't give you the full protection at the bottom, but still it protects the corners of the device. So, well, what we want to know is, what does the phone look like when it's in it? Next up, my second favorite case. Like I said, they're all platinum. Again, at the bottom here, it says for iPhone 6.5 inch. So please don't forget that when you go in looking for these cases, they don't have the actual phone name on. Weird, yes. But yeah, so this is the crotch? Anyway, this is the Crosshatch case. Yeah. It's all cool and everything. You don't really care about the box, you don't care about me advertising it, so let's go. Let's open this one up and see what we got inside here. So the last one I just shown you has the rubberized plastic on the inside. This one is a little different. So on the inside it has like a felt inside there. It does have the rubberized plastic sides, but this one has clicky buttons on each side. I didn't mute my phone, you just heard me get an email. So it has the buttons on the side, and then it has the crosshatch material on the back. Now this makes the phone a lot more grippier. It's smooth at the bottom, but the back's got like a rough texture. The only way I can explain it to feel is kind of like if you've ever had a OnePlus 6 or 5 or the original OnePlus phone, they had a sandstone finish, and this is like a smoother version of that. But yeah, what you want to know is what it looks like in the phone. So let's have a go, shall we? Okay, and last but not least is my favorite. This is the Kevlar protective case. It has the Kevlar design on the back, very similar to the Crosshatch, except it's got the Kevlar. So, you know, again, iPhone 6.5 inch. Trying to make sure you remember that when you go in for these things. So, let's take this out. This is my favorite. I think it looks fantastic on my space gray iPhone. So, let's pull that out. This, like the last one, like the Crosshatch, not the crotch, but the Crosshatch has the velvet finish inside, has the protection all the way around, comes with the clicky buttons on the side. The only one that's showing, and the same on the Crosshatch, is the alert slider for obvious reasons. But yeah, you want to know what it looks like in the phone again, in the case again. Alright, so there you have it. They're my personal top 3 right now that I can get from Best Buy right now in store. They're a little bit more higher price because they're the Platinum range, but they're also a much better quality case than the cheaper ones that you can get for about $13, $14. But yeah, let me know what you think. Have you already been and got yourself some cases? I know lots of people go on Amazon and order some of them $10, $12 cases, things like that, and I'm going to too, but I wanted to show you stuff that you don't see very often on the tube, whereas you see a lot of these other cases from Spigen, Spidgen, whatever they're called, 2Dia and all that. A lot of people put those cases on there. I just wanted to show you something a little bit different. So yeah, let me know. Do you like them? Do you not like them? You found some others? Share them in the comments. Let's see. There's nothing better than a good comment thread full of cases for your nice brand new iPhone. Don't forget, I've got a video coming up for this as well, how the Android boy fell in love with the iPhone. Man, I love this thing. This thing is a beast, and the camera is just, I love it. So far, so good. But I can't do that video yet because obviously I need to use it for a little while before I can really give you my honest opinion. I'm not going to do an unboxing. I'm not going to probably do a review, but there could be a collaboration coming up soon. Anyway, keep your eyes peeled. Thanks guys.